Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. The African market is the land of immense opportunities and untapped potentials. Now, those who are already in business before now can attest to the fact that Africa is one of the best continents in the world for business. Now, today I want to review why investors and business people around the world should watch out for Africa in the nearest future for massive business growth. Now, let's dive in. Now, first things to consider is to look out for explosive population growth. Now, Africa is home to over 1.4 billion people, and this number is set to double by 2050. According to the United Nations, that means Africa will be accountable for nearly a quarter of the world's population. What does this mean for businesses? A growing consumer base hungry for goods and services. Now, take Nigeria, for example. It's Africa's most populous country with over 220 million people, and its population is projected to hit 400 million by 2050. Now, young people dominate the continent with 60% of Africa's population under the age of 25. For businesses, this is a gold mine. Youths drive trends, innovation, and spending. Now, if you're not thinking about tapping into this market, you're missing out on an enormous opportunity. 2. Untapped sectors and rapid urbanization. Despite its size and diversity, Africa still has underdeveloped industries brimming with potential. Agriculture is one prime example. The continent has 60% of the world's cultivated arable land, yet it still imports over 35 billion in food annually. Now, imagine the opportunities for investors in agribusiness, processing, and value chains. Technology is another booming sector. Africa's tech industry is growing at a staggering pace. In 2021 alone, African startup and techs raised over $5 billion in funding, a 250% increase from the previous year. Now, countries like Kenya, Nigeria, and South Africa are leading the way, positioning Africa as the next big hub for digital innovation. 3. Investment-friendly policies and trade agreements. Africa is an ideal place to do business because of the growing number of investment and friendly policies and trade agreements too. Now, the African Continental Free Trade Area is a game changer. Now, it's the largest free trade area in the world, connecting 54 countries and creating a combined market of over 1.3 billion people. Now, this agreement aims to eliminate tariffs on 90% of goods, making it easier for businesses to operate across borders and tap into multiple markets at once. 4. Fast-growing middle class and consumer power. This demographic is growing rapidly, with millions of Africans climbing the economic ladder each year. Now, by 2030, the African middle class is expected to reach over 1.7 billion people, and their spending power will surpass $6.7 trillion. Now, this surge in disposable income is fueling demand for more modern products, services, and experiences, from retail and real estate to healthcare and education. With an increasingly urbanized and aspirational population, Africa's middle class is driving growth in consumer markets. Now, Africa is more than just a continent, a vast landscape, and rich cultures. It's a land of untapped potential, growing consumer markets, and boundless business opportunities. Now, from population growth to rising the middle class, now is the time for investors to take a closer look at what Africa has to offer. Now, the future of business lies here, so dive in and explore. Many thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment and, of course, subscribe for more insights into global business trends. Many thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.